Today I'll show how to buy shares of DHI Group Inc. using a step-by-step example. DHI Group Inc. operates career marketplaces and recruitment services for tech and cleared professionals. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DHX. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as the example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your identity with a government ID and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker DHX to locate the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry that matches DHI Group Inc. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the correct stock. Verify the issuer name and ticker before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, you can schedule a market order or place a limit order, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, your DHI Group Inc. position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.